Alright, grade 11. So when we do the cash budget, we need to remember that this is only cash transactions. So all my payments and my receipts. Alright, so this is just a basic cash budget. Your cash budget will have a lot of information, more information than mine. But I'm just showing you today the format and what you need to remember. So we will start off by adding all our income together, or our receipts. So it will be 30,000 plus 20,000, and that will give us a 50,000 rand that we have received. Then we will say, all right, all my payments, that is 30,000 rand. All right, then I will say 50,000 minus this 30, and that will give me 20,000. Alright, so now you can see that they gave us the opening balance of July. So on the 1st of July, our bank balance was 10,000 rand as an overdraft. Alright, so we used some of the bank's money. So therefore, my surplus will decrease with 10,000 rand. So I actually just have 10,000 rand. Alright, so if you think logically about it, you started off with a minus 10,000 rand in your bank account. Then you got money for different types of things, but you received 50,000 rand. So now you have 40,000 rand because you had 10,000 overdraft. Then you have payments of 30,000 rand. So now you only have 10,000 rand cash left, and that is or the other way you can think about it. All right. Immediately after you've written down your closing balance for bank for the end of July, you immediately write it at the beginning of August, that bank balance over there, because the end of July, the closing balance for July will become my beginning or my opening balance for August. So immediately I write that, and I see a lot of children that forget about that. So please, you need to write it there. And then we start from the top again. So 60 plus 20,000, that will give me a total of 80,000 rand that I have received. And this is 45,000 rand payments I've made. So again, I'm going to say 80,000 minus 45,000 rand, and that is 35,000 rand surplus. And then I'm going to say, all right, I had 10,000 rand at the beginning of the month, so obviously I now have a bank total amount of 45,000 rand. All right, so in the cash budget, you just need to remember that you need to book over, or that you need to write your closing balance in the next month's beginning balance. All right, so that is all you need to remember.